Hello children, good morning, happy new year. I'm Priyanka Goyal and today I'm going to tell you about the first chapter of history of class 7. In this chapter, I will tell you about the glorious Gujarat. In the starting of the chapter, a man roamed about a village street playing a song on his violin. A group of small children was also roaming along with him. He continued to sing the same song repeatedly, the words of which were Chela ji re mare hate patan thi patola mongalavjo. Among the children who sang along with the singer was Pratik. When he returned home, he asked the grandfather about the patola of Patan. Pratik's grandfather told Pratik about Patola. He informed him about the historical city Anhilwad Patan. In the medieval age, 746 CE to 1304 CE, approximately for about 560 years ago, the Chavda, the Solanki, and the Waghela dynasties ruled over Gujarat. During their ruling, the capital of their kingdom was Anhilpur Patan, which later came to be known as Anhilwad Patan. Currently, Anawada village, that is situated to the west of Patan, was originally known as Anhilwad. According to the historical texts, the Chavda dynasty ruled over Panchasar. The ruler Jai Shikhri attained martyrdom in a war. His son Vanraj Chavda recaptured his father's kingdom. In place of the ruined kingdom, he established a new kingdom on the banks of the river Saraswati, which was known as Anhilwad Patan. It is believed that his friend Anhil assisted him in acquiring the kingdom, and hence the territory was named Anhilwad Patan after him. The Chavda dynasty ruled over Gujarat for approximately 196 years. Thereafter, the Solanki dynasty ruled over Gujarat. Now, inscription carved on idol. During the rule of the Solanki dynasty, Gujarat became very prosperous. The Rajput era saw Anhilwad Patan emerge as one of the most powerful kingdoms. The king of this dynasty, Mulraj Solanki, Bhimdev Solanki, Siddharaj Jaisingh, Kumar Pal were among the great rulers. The famous scholar Hemchand Acharya was patronized during the rule of Siddharaj Jaisingh. During his ruling period, Anhilwad Patan became the main center of education and was known as Vidyadham. On his proposal, Shri Hemchand Acharya wrote a book on grammar, Siddham Shabdanushashan. After its completion, the book was placed on the seat tied onto an elephant, and the procession was carried throughout the city. Both the king Siddharaj Jaisingh and the composer Shri Hemchand Acharya accompanied the procession on foot. It was the first time that a literary text was given such enormous respect. The prosperity of Gujarat reached its apex during the ruling of Kumarpal. At this time, the amalgamation of non-violence, prosperity, education was noticed in Anilwad Patan. The kings of the Solanki dynasty were great rulers. However, 6 of these rulers renounced their thrones to become hermits. More information on this can be obtained from the library. Anhilwar Patan had not only dynamic kings and academicians, but the queens were also equally dynamic. In fact, Queen Udaymati built a step well for the welfare of her subjects. This step well is known as Rani Ki Vav. This step well, consisting of 7 levels, is an unparalleled example of art and architecture. The beautifully carved stones idols tells us of the glory and prosperity of the Solanki era. Queen Meenal Devi, King Siddharaj, Jai Singh's mother, was much concerned about the welfare of the subjects and waived the pilgrim tax. The Malav Lake at Dholka and the Munsar Lake at Viramgam were constructed on her instruction. The Sahasraling Lake of Patan was constructed during the ruling of King Siddharaj Jai Singh. The history of Anhilwar Patan is associated with the name of a brave, heroic lady. After the death of the King Ajaypal, his son, being too young, Queen Naiki Devi, his mother, took over the responsibility of the kingdom. During this time, Shahabuddin Gauri crossed the desert and attacked Gujarat. Queen Naiki Devi led the army of Gujarat into the battle and successfully defeated Shahabuddin Gauri. After the Solanki dynasty, the Waghela dynasty ruled over Gujarat. And we will study about the Waghela dynasty in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.